Hello students, this is your English teacher Mrs. Aimavati from LP Savani Vidya Bhavan. Students, till now we read about articles in which we discussed where we use definite article and where we use indefinite articles. Today we will study omission of articles, in which we will come to know where we do not use articles like definite articles or indefinite articles. Come to the first rule. Articles are not used before proper noun such as names of people, continents, some countries and cities. So articles are not used before proper nouns such as names of people, before the names of people or before the names of continents, some countries and cities we do not use articles. For example, Sachin Tendulkar is a cricketer. Sachin Tendulkar here is the name of a cricket player. So before the name of any person, we do not use articles. Next, Mumbai is in Maharashtra. Mumbai is the name of a city. So before the name of cities, we do not use articles. I live in Toronto in Canada. Canada is the name of a country. We use articles for some countries but not for all countries. So, here before Canada, no article is used. Come to the second rule. Articles are not used before the names of substances, that is uncountable nouns. We do not use articles before the names of uncountable nouns like sugar, oil, next is rice, different uncountable nouns. Sugar is bad for our teeth. So sugar here is uncountable nouns, and before that we don't use articles. Gold is a precious metal. Gold here is also uncountable noun. So we don't use article before uncountable nouns. Next rule, we don't use articles before abstract nouns, that is used in general sense. When abstract nouns are used in general sense, at that time we don't use articles before the abstract nouns. For example, cleanliness is next to godliness. Here cleanliness is an abstract noun, godliness is also an abstract noun. So before abstract noun which is used in general sense, we don't use articles. Next, honesty is a rare quality. Here honesty is abstract noun. Now come to the next rule. Articles are not used before plural countable nouns that refer to the entire class. When we talk about plural countable nouns, so the nouns in plural form like child, children, book, books. Next is pen, pens. So in that way, countable nouns, plural countable nouns that refer to entire class, in that case we do not use articles before it. For example, children love holidays, means we refer to entire class. So that is the reason we don't use articles before it. Books are stacked in a library. Books here is plural countable nouns. So before that we do not use articles. Next is articles are not used before names of meals spoken of in general sense. Names of meals like lunch, dinner, breakfast, brunch, in that way. Is lunch ready? So before lunch we have not used articles. Dinner was delicious. So dinner is also the name of meal. So before the names of meals we don't use articles. Now come to the next rule. The names of languages and subjects. So, we do not use articles before the names of languages and subjects. So, names of languages like Hindi, Sanskrit, Urdu, these are all languages. For example, our class teacher teaches us English. So, here English is a subject. So, before subject, we do not use articles. Names of subject. Mathematics is my favorite subject. So, mathematics before the name of subject, we don't use articles. Next is Hindi is our national language. So, Hindi here is name of language. So, before the names of languages and subjects, we do not use articles. Next is we articles are not used before the names of games like badminton, cricket, football, volleyball. So we don't use articles before the names of games. PV Sindhu plays badminton. Cricket is popular among Indians. So before the names of games we have not used articles. Next is phrases related to travel such as by land, by sea, by air. So these kind of phrases, before these phrases we do not use articles. For example, earlier people used to travel by ship. Earlier people used to travel by ship. So by ship is a phrase before which we do not use articles. My sister is going to Chennai by flight. Here also we have not used articles. Next, phrases such as all day, all night. Before that we don't use articles. For example, the baby was awake all night. Seema waited all day for her friend's phone call. So before these two phrases we have not used articles. So this is all about omission of articles. Bye bye. Meet you in the next session.